Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo parametric. While modeling this, I will start with this side, this feature. I will create this model with a length of 48 and height of 36, and this length is 48. After creating this model, I will model this cylinder with a length of 84 plus 36 plus 24 with a diameter of 30. Then I will model this feature with a diameter of 60, the length they have given. Then I will model these two rigs. This feature, the dimension they are given. After modeling these two, then I will create the material removal features, creating the slot, then hole, and this hole they have mentioned as throw hole of 18 diameter. Similarly, here we have a tapping hole with a diameter of 14 and pitch of 2. After creating this, then I will create a hole here and here. After modeling this model in Creo parametric, the model will look like this. Here you can see this is the final model of our geometry. Now we'll learn how to model this component step by step in Creo parametric. Just go to the file, close, go to new, part, solid, provide a name, untick this use default template, save OK. Our units are in mm, choose the part solid absolute, save OK. Choose here all the planes on. For easy explanation, I'm just keeping the software figure in this side and software in the right side. Now we'll model the component like this. First we'll start with this. Choosing the front plane, sketch view. Now take the rectangle, center rectangle, the height is 36 and the width is 48. Go to the fit screen, just say OK, then extrude, change the direction, the extrusion length also be 48, save OK. Then we have created this, then we'll create this cylinder with a diameter of 30, select this surface, sketch view, circle with a diameter of 30, then OK, extrude, change the direction, switch off this material removal. The extrusion total length is 84 plus 36 plus 24. 84 plus 36 plus 24. Just save OK. Now we have created this cylinder. Then we'll create this cylinder. For that, select this midplane, sketch view. Now take the reference of this edge, then close it. Take a circle. The outside diameter of the circle is 60. Just say OK. Extrude. Go to the options. Here they have specified from the center to here it is a radius of 15 plus this edge to this edge they are given 12. 30 plus 12. And bottom it is 15 plus 10. So this side, one side is 15 plus 12. Another side is variable, it is 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10. Just say OK. Now we have created this cylinder. Then we'll create this feature. For that, select this midplane, sketch view. Now take a circle. Here it is straight. So put a circle and make a tangent connection. The circle diameter is, here they have given radius. Go to dimension. It has the radius of 15. And from the center point to the center point of the circle is 50. Now take a line again. Just connect it here, just connect it here and make a connection, tangent connection. Now remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments. This is our final sketch. Just say OK, extrude, make it symmetric. The extrusion length is 36. Press OK. Then take the midplane, sketch view, take the reference of this one and close it. Now take a circle. We just put a circle somewhere here. Now see the circle radius is 18, dimension, the radius is 18, and this total height they are not given. Instead they have given the center point from this point height is 15. From this point to this edge height is 15, and this center point from this center point is 36, and from this point to this edge is 24. So dimension from this point to this point, it is 36 plus 24. Now just put a connection, take a line here to this point, and somewhere from here make a tangent connection. Now here you can see from the center point to this edge, it is the dimension of 30. Go to dimension, from here to this point, it is 30. Now all the dimensions are provided. Just say OK. Now just go to the edit. Remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Just say OK. Extrude. Symmetric. The thickness is 12. Just say OK. Then here we have axis, but here and here we don't have axis. That is because for full circle it will automatically generate the axis. For half circle it will not generate axis. To get the axis, just go to the sketch, edit, put the datum point here, say OK. Now we will get axis here. Similarly here, go to edit, sketch, put the datum point here, just say OK. Based on the axis we can create hole easily. Now we will create a hole here. Select the surface, sketch view. This one is the center point. Take the circle with a diameter of 18 and throw hole. Its diameter is 18. Just say OK. Extrude. Make it this. Press the long press of right click. You will get these options here. Make it through all. Press the roller to confirm. Now we will make a cut here. For that, take the midplane, sketch view. Now use the projection tool. Project this line, and this line. Close, say OK. Now the sketch is projected here. Extrude. Make it symmetric. The cut is 12. Say OK. Then we just want to make a hole here. For that, take the hole, select the surface, press the Ctrl and hold, select this axis. The diameter of the hole is 12 and make it through all by pressing here, through all, just say OK. Then select the surface, sketch view. Here we just want to make a standard hole. For that, just close and cancel. Take the hole we have placed in this surface. Then this tag you just put it in this surface, and this one you just put it in this surface. This dimension is 24 and this dimension is also be 24. Now the diameter is M14. Further, just go to the standard. Thread type is ISO. Screw size is M14 into 2. This one you just make it to 2 next. Just say OK. It is a threaded hole. Then we'll make a hole here. Just take this hole, place it on the surface, and press the Ctrl and select this axis. Now the diameter of the hole is 18. Make it to next. Save OK. Similarly here, select this hole, select the surface, press the Ctrl and hold, select this axis. The diameter of the hole is 25 and this one you make it to next or make it through all. Save OK. Now the complete model is done. To change the appearance, just go to the view, appearance, select any color and apply to the part. Save OK. Then for inner appearance, here choose the intent surface, press the Ctrl and select the surfaces. This one is not. Like that we can change the appearance. This is our model. In this tutorial we have learned how to model this component. In next tutorial we'll see how to model with a new component. If you like this video, please share to your friends, and for more videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.